if the child has a lot of cough and it doesn't go away with anything. So this video is for you. I'll teach you how to prepare the best remedy that will relieve it in just minutes. For this recipe, we will need an orange, from which we will remove the top part and then the center or the pulp. The orange is a highly recommended home remedy for cough because it reduces inflammation and disinfects the bronchi. After removing the middle part and its seeds, we'll take it to the lit stove. Now add a pinch of salt. If it's for children under 5 years old and for those older than 2 years, a half teaspoon. We need a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it. If you've made it this far, tell me from which country you're watching this video. Send them a special greeting in the next video, mixed already over normal heat. We'll let it darken and boil. This process doesn't take long. When it starts willing for a few seconds, it means it's ready. Remove it from heat, let it rest for a minute, and add a tablespoon of honey. Give it to them in the morning.